Hello. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the delete opcode in IBM RPGLE. In this video, we'll delve into the details of using delete to remove found records from files, focusing on practical examples. 1. Before we dive into the example, let's understand the structure of the EMPHDR file. Employee ID 7 digits, numeric. Employee name 50 characters, alphanumeric. Employee date of birth, it's a date field. Employee date of joining, again it's a date field. Key field defined for employee ID. Now let's explore how to use the delete opcode to remove employee records based on employee ID. We will first define EMPHDR as a file as keyed and will allow input, output, update and delete operations. Then we will put value in each of the fields of EMPHDR file and do write operation for the record with employee ID 0000011. Now with the chain operation, program will search for a record in the file EMPHDR where the employee ID matches 0000011. If the data is found, then the program deletes the record using delete EMPHDR. Then, again with the chain operation, program will search for a record in the file EMPHDR where the employee ID matches 0000011. But as the data is deleted, hence a message is displayed with DSPLY as data deleted. In conclusion, the delete opcode in IBM RPGLE is essential for removing specific records within files based on key values, such as employee ID in our example. Upon executing the program, first it will display EMPHDR is open for operation, second data added is added for ID, 11, name, delete program, third data deleted for ID, 11, name, delete program, and lastly EMPHDR is closed. Thank you for watching our video tutorial on the delete opcode in IBM RPGLE by programmers.io. We hope you found it informative and useful for your programming tasks. If you have any questions or would like to explore more RPGLE topics, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more IBM programming insights. Happy coding!